people who say animals uh, have a much easier life than the human beings. Actually, they are wrong. So, this is because animals have much harder time than the human beings. Like in the morning, each animal wakes up to get some food for their families, and each animal even has a fear about if they die by human beings, what would happen. They sleep in a fear, they wake up in a fear, they always have a fear that uh, a human can even kill us. But still, they won't stop working for their families. Every day they would go to get food for their families and themselves. So if you like this video, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.